Hi, we're the Govhack team, the Codefather, and we are building you a hack that you can't refuse. Since the dawn of time and the subsequent patenting of time, man has asked, when will my patent be approved? At what stage is it in? And when will the patent on the Hills hoist expire? IP Australia is constantly fielding calls from patentees to be asking about the status of their patent or trademark. And it can take wildly different amounts of times for these different applications to be processed. As an applicant, I have no way of telling if my perpetual motion machine is going to take 6 months to be processed or 3 years. Before I do talk about our project, Patent Pending, and what problems it solves, I want to first introduce the team.
Alberto, front end. Kev, front end. Jono, back end. Tom, UX UI. Andrew, back end. And me, James, back end. So, Patent Pending is an application that lets users register their interest in following updates on trademarks and patent applications. We'll show you how it works in a second, but let me first talk a little bit about the tech stack.
Our solution is divided into a series of domains, each responsible for a specific purpose. We have an Android native app in Java on the front end. Our entire back end is in a series of node lambdas, and our persistence layer is a RDS machine running Postgres. Data is loaded into the system by a series of Ruby scripts. The datasets that we hit are exclusive to the IP Australia Demigod dataset, as well as their IP Australia trademark timeline API. Throughout the process, our UX specialists examine the 4 user stories, use the needs and pains to inform any of our design decisions that you will see when we go into the demo. So let's just assume I'm a famous scientist for a second. Maybe I want to go and check the status of one of my patents or trademarks. I come in here, maybe I'm looking for alternating current or something. This will go and query our database. It'll pull back a list of everything that matches, as well as the status that they're in, as well as the prediction of when they're going to leave that status. Found the one I'm interested in, I can click follow, I can type in my email address. The graphs there are mocked up, but basically they show the average length other patents of similar types fall into that category, or stay in that category. And here we can see an email where I've received when something's changed status. As far as roadmap goes, we think that machine learning could be applied to the calculation of end dates. We can probably do push notification as well as having a stateful app, but most of those are stretch goals anyway. We're pretty happy with the outcome. So that's us from the Codefather for 2017.